Hello guys, live trade tayo ngayon. So, mamaya natin explain yan. So, for today's bias is high. Why? Because we have this wick here. And we're in the low big candle just dump. And I want this price to have retrace or move this because we are in the daily order block. We also have wick here. And if you're looking at the 4-hour, we are in the 4-hour wick that have fair value gap and sell side liquidity. Also, we're in the CISD at 4-hour. Then at 1-hour, we have engineer liquidity here and 1-hour wick. Also, we are in the CE, so I'm just waiting for the price to tap in here. Then I would buy this. This is my point of interest. Around 15. Yeah. Then, dahil hindi pa siya natatap naman, let's explain muna yung kaninang trade natin guys. So, 4-hour, here we have PDL, which is the previous day low being swept. So my bias is high. Why? Because we're also at the order block at the 4-hour. Then at 1-hour, here, I know dito ako nagtili. 1-hour, we are in the weekly gap also. We also have this, where's that? We also have this CISD, as I know. But let me see at the, tingnan natin, yun dito. Where's that? This order block, we're in the order block 30 minutes. Tama ba? Yeah, we're on the block 30 minutes. Then, price start to have SMT here. Tandaan nyo na we're in the previous day low is at this, so we're expecting the price that is this one. Ito yung expect kong price guys to rebalance this fair value gap. Then, if you look inside, as you can see, we already have external conferences, which is order block, OTE. We're also at the 4-hour OTE, as you can see guys. Here, I'll measure it. We're in the 0.79. Then, ano pa yung outside conference natin? Weekly gap. Also, this liquidity here. Hindi ko pinansin siya masyado kasi hindi ko. I don't take that as liquidity, but ito yung order block yung tinitake natin as liquidity. Also, yeah, that's pretty much it. And looking inside here, 5 minutes. This is, we have SMT here and price create wick and price start to high. Then, ito nga yung parang sariling model natin is nag-wait tayo for the 0.5 here to enter. Ito yung pinaka-wini-wait natin. Looking at 1 minute. And, wait lang. Or did I enter? Or did I stop? Na-stop ko ito kanina. Nalimutan ako saan ko nag-enter. So, yes. I think na-stop. Dito ako nag-enter sa 3 minutes. 3 minute wicks. Nag-enter ako here. Then, my stop loss is here. 30 points. Anytime na pag malaki yung wick, two things lang yan. Like, if I would enter here, then my stop loss is here. Like, around 30 to 20. Then, if you could wait like Kasi yung sa ano yun, sa ano, psychology ko kasi. May psychology, I would think na may iwan yung trade if I don't trade agad here. So the second thing is you could wait for the CE being top here, then wait for the 10. You could have 10 stop loss here. But for me, wala akong discipline, wala akong patience kasi lagi tayong naunahan. So kaya pinalaki ko na lang yung sell stop ko. Then my run the liquidity is this high. It's buy side liquidity. Also we made the SMT. Then at the price, we're also at the inside of this wick, the top at the OTE. Also inside of the 5-minute wick. Why this is valid wick? Kasi as you can see here, we have, yun nga, we have outside external like sell side set, high, high, high. This order block here. Yun lang. Then I press buy. Then our second trade is this one, which is na, ito yung pinaka-antay natin. Why? Because here we have, let me see, ito yung inaantay natin before tayo mag-buy. Pinaka-intay natin. So, ito parang secondary trade lang. So, ito yung pinaka-trade talaga natin. But, yun nga, wala pa akong too much patience. Tapos, inisip ko is, this is forward testing na makaka-help sa akin para ma-desensitize ko yung sarili ko for more trades. Then, price. Also, we are in the order block. Ito pala, we're on the order block here at 30 minutes. Kaya, ito yung pinaka-confluence ka. Here. Then, here, as you can see, we are in the CST. So, we have CISD at the 1 hour. That's my confluence. Sell side liquidity being swept. This fair value gap. Also, siguro 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes fair value gap here. Kaya, I take this as high probability week. Then after that, looking at 5 minutes here, as you can see, we have week here. Then I enter again here. First enter here and I lost around $15 here. Because I have 30 stop na. Got stop out here. Barely top. Then price start to go low. As you can see, this is, oh, ito na pala. This is the 0.5 guys. Here. 5 minutes enter here. Yung mga yellow line is din yung mga trigger entry ko. Then, as you can see here, 1 minute here. I enter again. Kasi, we made also, how do I explain this? We're in the lowest of low na. Like here. Then, my stop is 10.10. I enter at the OTE. At the CE. I enter at the CE here. Which is my second thing na I would trade. But, I would lower my stop loss. Then, as you can see, price didn't get that high, which is this one. Then, got stop out. Then, price start to go here, which is, this is my draw on the liquidity. What color kaya? Blue? Siguro blue. This is my draw on liquidity. Get top and it didn't, I got stop. But it's okay, guys, kasi it's normal to lose in a trade. Ang mahalaga is risk management. Also, yung risk management, we need to, as you can see here, it's only 1 case and I'm really terrible at risk management. So, binawasan ko na para ayun, makuha natin yung pinaka-goal natin na risk management, which is I would tawag dito, willing ako ma-loss ng around dapat 100 lang or 80. Then, yun lang. Just wait for the price to top here. Thank you.